All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got this car back together. We started filming and we had to leave the shop for a minute, and then we come back, and when we did, we had a customer here that needs some turbo piping welded. Wouldn't take long, so we went ahead and jumped in and did that. But this intake job wasn't too bad. It's a Dorman intake. Really nice, comes with all the brackets, new thermostat. Of course, aluminum water housing, you'd call it. And that should make a big difference because the plastic one cracked and broke while it was here. So we're going to get this thing fired up and get it out of the shop.